Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting into the mode where player training exists. Open Squad Hub or Team Management now. Once there, locate the specific roster and then the player list. This is the fastest route. You want the player highlighted so you can access their individual options. Make sure the player isn't injured or on suspension, because those states block training. Once done, move to the player detail screen. That's where the training controls appear and you'll begin assigning sessions. From the player detail view, select training or development to reveal available drills and focus areas. You choose the type, technical, physical, or tactical. Pick what improves the player's weak attributes. Once you select a drill, set intensity and duration. Higher intensity yields faster gains but increases fatigue. You can preview estimated stat gains before confirming. After assigning one session, you can stack or schedule more. Make sure the planned workload. Finish by confirming the assignments and saving changes to the squad so the game applies them. Once confirmed, schedule repeating sessions across weeks to reach target growth. Spacing avoids overtraining. If the player won't accept training, check for injuries, match suspensions, or contract restrictions. Those commonly block changes. If gains aren't appearing, verify mode settings and training caps. Reset the session or swap drills, then reapply. That resolves most issues and gets progress back on track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.